Hi guys, I'm sitting in my newly converted camper. I'm not quite finished. I'm going to do some videos on this to show you this, but I wanted to shoot you this quick video and do this live stream because I'm going to be going home soon and I'm going to record my first video for you to get set up with AI and how to make money on social media with AI. So whether that's TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, doesn't matter where, Instagram, Pinterest. This video I'm going to be doing is the one that you're going to need so that you can start your journey to make money. Now obviously I'm on TikTok and I'm going to be looking to make money with TikTok and YouTube. So my next video that I do, which will be coming later on this morning because I'm going to go and record it, is going to show you how to set up an AI generated video. And also how you're going to use ChatGPT to get you started on making money. It's going to be, I mean, if you're really serious about making money on the internet, it's not hard. It's not hard. I've been doing it since 2014. You just need a little helping hand like I had when I first started out. You know, I had a mentor and I listened to what he said and he took me to six figures, and that's what I want to help you do. I want you to get on this journey with me to make money working on the internet. It's so easy to do, your grandmother can do it. So if you're interested to earn a side hustle, replace your existing income or give up your day job completely and do this stuff full time, then make sure you give me a follow on here. Give me that heart, that little thumbs up or whatever it's called. And then my next video will be coming out in about 2 hours to 3 hours time, and that video is going to change your life today. It's going to start you on that journey to making money working from home or working from the park or working while you're on holiday or working while you're traveling or working sitting in your camper van or working when you're sitting in your car or just having a little mooch around the parks. What I'm about to show you is going to blow your socks off, and I'm going to get you started on your journey. It's not going to happen overnight. I'm not going to say you're going to be a millionaire by next Thursday and give you that old buffalo dust. This is a journey that you're going to go on. You're going to carry on with your day job. It's a journey to show you by doing 10, 15 minutes every other day. Obviously, if you could do it every day, half an hour a day, instead of watching the telly at night. Or you might be able to do a little bit when you're on a coffee break. This is what this is going to be about. It's going to be about fitting in around what you do already. Now, you got to be serious about it, okay? So you've got to be serious about wanting to do this, because if you are, it's going to change your life, you know. And I don't know about you. I mean, they give us, since we went to school, they give us this, they teach you, they install it into you, that you must get a job and work 5 days a week, and your whole life is pitched around what you're going to do on Friday night and at the weekend, and Sunday you must rest because you've got to go back to your slave job on Monday. If you're fed up with that routine, that process of going through that, going to work Monday, getting up, you know, sitting, commuting, going on the train, sitting in the traffic, if that's you and you really, you know, you go to work because you need money and you really don't really like it, and you say to yourself, I mean, I've heard some people say to me, you know, I really like my job. And I'd say to them, okay, if I could give you the same amount of money that you've got now with your job, what would you do? Would you carry on working for that job? Or would you maybe spend a bit more time with your family or a bit more time for yourself? Because that's what it's all about. You know, everybody wants to be a millionaire, zillionaire, billionaire, you know, or everybody thinks that money's going to change their life and it's going to be brilliant that they don't have to go to work anymore because they've got all this money. It's not actually true. I can tell you, you don't need to have a lot of money to be happy. And happiness comes from having time to do what you want to do. It comes to having time to spend with your loved ones, you know, your family, your children, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever it may be, your parents, or just yourself. If you've got that money to spend your time how you want to spend it, so take your existing income You go to work, you pay your bills, your mortgages, your rents and all that type of stuff. If you got the same money but you didn't have to go to work, how much more improved would your life be? And you wouldn't be a millionaire, would you? But you would have a millionaire in here. That's what it's all about. What's here? Your mind is what, the stress, taking the stress out of your mind is what gives you a happy life. And what I'm about to show you in my next video is going to take you on that journey for you to get that happy mind. Does that sound good? Does that sound like something that you want to get involved in? If it is, make sure you follow me. Give me that heart, tap on that heart. Share this video with as many people as you can. If you've got friends that want to get out of the rat race, but just don't know where to start. It starts here, starts right here, because I've done it and I'm still doing it. I'm 60 now and I started when I was in 2014. I built my first website in 2003 and that really got me onto, well, I paid somebody to build it, to be honest, but that really got me thinking the internet, hold on, I'm getting customers from the internet. I was a plumber. I wasn't advertising in magazines. I wasn't advertising on the radio or anything like that. All I had was a website. And that website used to bring me in, because in them days SEO was easy to do. That website used to bring me in customers. And that got me thinking to say, well, I can put something on the internet and it's going to bring me customers. I'll do it once, set it up once, and it's going to bring me customers time and time and time again. That's what websites do. When you booked a holiday last, if you were booking a flight, a package deal to go abroad, you didn't go up to the airport and ask the pilot, did you? You didn't go up to the airport and say, I want to go, to Tenerife, or I want to go to Rome for the weekend or for the week. You went, majority of you went online. You can go to a travel agent, but what that travel agent will do will go online in front of you. Them days are gone where they had books and had the telephone up. Gone. The internet, where everybody does their shopping nowadays. Many people buy their groceries on the internet. I buy so much stuff online. It's unreal. I go to the supermarket because we just go. We got an elderly mother. She's, my mother-in-law. And it gives her something to do. She loves going to the supermarket. But I would never go to the supermarket. Don't really need to go. I do it online. My sister goes online, has all her groceries delivered. And so being on the internet and having a presence on the internet, whether it be a website, whether it be a TikTok profile, whether it be a YouTube profile, a Facebook profile, you're tapped in already. All you got to do is know how to drag that into your space so that you start to make money. And if that's something that you're interested in, if you're interested in getting involved in making money working on the internet in your spare time, or do it full time. I do mornings. I work Monday to Friday and I do the school run. I just come back from the school run. And then what I do is I work now up till 12 o'clock. And I'll be doing some emails. I'll make a couple of videos maybe, or I might send out, like I'm doing now, do a live or something like that. But this is my journey, okay? This is my journey, and I want you to come on it with me because I want to show you how easy this is to make money working on the internet. And I'm going to show you how to do it with AI. You don't have to put your face on the camera, if I take that away and just put my hand there, you wouldn't know who's talking. So I'm going to show you that you can do it because I can do it. I mean, I'm a donkey, I must admit. Didn't have big degrees and all that. I left school at just coming up for 16 and went straight into construction. And so do so many of my friends. But the internet changed my life, and my journey really started 2003 because I was still doing the plumbing. But as I said, that was the first time I had a website. I had a presence on the internet. And then in 2014, it just went ballistic. It really did. It just went from leaps and bounds. And, you're not going to be a millionaire by next Thursday. You may never, ever be a millionaire. But you're going to win that time freedom. You're going to have the money that maybe you got now and a bit more. You can create millions. I know people that work on the internet and create millions and millions and millions and millions. If that's what you can do, great. But you don't have to do that. All you need to do is to replace your existing income so that you can give up your day job. That's the key to this. Replacing your existing income to give up the day job. And the minute you get the same amount of income from the internet, what you're doing in your day job, you'll have the hardest decision of your life. And that is, you're going to cut your income by half. Because if, let's just say you were earning 20,000, whether it be pounds or dollars a year, I know that, or 30,000 we'll say, you know, you're earning 30,000 a year. Then if you can mirror that, so that now you're earning 60,000, but you're still in your day job, you're still in that slavery, you've got to say to yourself, you know what, I'm going to give up my day job, because, and that's going to cut your income in by half, because you're going to give up one of the 30,000s and carry on with the internet, carry on doing stuff online, and then that business will go from strength to strength because you've given yourself more time to commit to it. And you don't have to work 7 days a week. You don't have to work 8 hours a day. You're doing, like I do, 2-3 hours a day. That's all I do. But I really enjoy this. That's the difference. I don't get up in the morning and go, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, where's my keys? Where's my keys? I'm late. And run down the road and get with me plastic cup, with me cup of tea, and then get into the... I see them all up here at my station, my local underground. The people running to catch the train. They come every 2 minutes in London, but they run to catch the train because they don't have the time to wait the extra 2 minutes for the next train to come. I see them when I go on a school run. Sometimes, I mean, today... our son goes to a nursery in that direction, and my other son, the older son, goes to a school in that direction. So my wife normally walks the younger one in the pram, and the little girl we got, she's a year old. She goes that way, and I take my bicycle, my electrical bike, and I go that way. Now today, because my younger son had to start early because he's got his violin at school, we take the vehicle. But, you know, when I go on them school runs, whether I'm in the vehicle or whether I'm sitting on my bicycle, I see the faces that are sitting in the traffic. I see it, and I could see that they just wish they were somewhere else. They just wish they were doing something different. And when they get into work, yes, they're going to be reasonably happy, or they might even be really happy once they've got there. But it's that initial get up and go, and then they're missing out on their kids growing up. They're missing out on, you know, their kids first. I mean, myself, you know, my first daughter, you know, she's 30 odd now, and I was married before. I missed out on her walking, her talking, all that first stuff, because I was getting up in the morning at 6:30 in the morning and coming home at 7 o'clock in the night. And she's going to bed. She's gone to bed. So sometimes I don't even see her all week. You know, I just walk in her bedroom and look at her. That's the interaction I had. And it's just horrible. Where with my children now, I've got 3 more. And I've got my oldest son, Jeremy. He's 8 now. And I've got Charlie. He's 3. And then we've got Jade, and she's 1. I've been with Jeremy since the day he was born. Every single day with him. Going to the parks, taking him to nursery, taking him to preschool, taking him to school. Same with Charlie, same with Jade. That is time freedom. That's what makes you a millionaire. That's what makes you, forget the money. It's that freedom that you have. So if you want to go on this journey with me, make sure that you follow me. Give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video in a couple of hours' time. Unfortunately, the camera's going to be turned round that way, but you know, maybe if you can blow it up a little bit, or you can watch it on YouTube, or you can watch it on a PC when you get home, you know. But watch that first video, because I'm going to open up your eyes to AI, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to start your journey of changing your life. And what do they say? If you carry on doing the height of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expect to get different results. If you want something to change tomorrow, you got to do something different today. Make that something different today, and that is following me. Give me that heart, share this video, and make sure that you watch my next video. The very first video that I'm going to put out, you're going to be hungry for more. You're going to be hungry to get this information so that you can start having that time freedom and start building the life that you want to build and not a slave job. You have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.